Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. You do need to take off the case of your phone. You can see the tray is right here. Grabbing the tool, you want to find the little insert area, which is part of the cutout, and push it in. You can see when you do so, your tray will pop out, and on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards. So you can place 1 SIM card on each side. Now I'm going to occupy only the top one. Make sure that the card is clipped in place. It shouldn't be falling out if you flip it upside down, and does have a retention bracket, and should be laying completely flush on the tray. From there, just insert it back into your phone, and set card, as you can see, should start working right away. Hence why it's asking me to confirm my SIM card PIN, which will unlock the SIM card. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.